Welcome to Vlogmas day 9. And today I have the job centre again. Oh well. Thing is, I think it's like different this time. You don't go down every week. I'm currently waiting for my fiance to get here as he's got a doctor's appointment, so we'll go into that. Harley is being mental as always. Well, he was. He always gets like really mental in the morning, so yeah. But I don't think we're doing a lot today, neither of us. It's a lot of money, so I think we're just gonna chill and watch some movies. Sorry I haven't vlogged a lot today. I had the job centre, and then, well, actually I went to the doctor's with my fiance to have his blood taken. And then I went to the job centre. Well, then we went to the mall, and then we went to the job centre, and I've just been with him and spending some time with him because he starts his new job next week. So I don't know when I'm going to see him next, which is really upsetting. But hopefully I'll see him soon. But what I'll do is I'll add this vlog on to tomorrow's vlog because I'm not doing a lot. So my mum broke her phone again. Well, she didn't break it, but someone else broke it. So her phone is now cracked. I looked at Mum and said, this time it wasn't me. Because it wasn't. So, just get my case. I might change it back. Because the case I'm using right now, I'll show you guys, is this one. But I change my cases like all the time. So, I might change it. I'm not sure to what, but I will. Anyway guys, I'm going to end the vlog now. I'll add this vlog onto tomorrow's vlog, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 10, and Harley boy is currently out, and I stepped on him, but he landed on me yesterday. He's such a good boy. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the postman to get here because Mum bought me a case yesterday. Oh, I didn't do Vlogmas day 9. Let's have a look. More chocolate for me. Ooh. Hello. This is the closest he's been to me. You caught that on film, guys. This is the closest he's been to me today. I'm so glad I caught that on film. What's this one? What the hell's that? I'm so glad I caught that on film. He loves his mummy. Santa. Snowman. What, baby? Sorry I haven't vlogged a lot today. I've just been chilling and watching YouTube videos because I've got a lot of Vlogmases to catch up on. Harley's currently going mental. I think he wants to come out again. He's already been out once today. Harley! What's wrong, boy? You wanna come out? Again. What's wrong, boy? What's wrong? Come on then. I'll spoil you. I do. I spoil this bird. I absolutely love him to pieces. That's the problem. There we go. He's out again. He's already been out like once today. Oh, and here he is. I think he wanted to be with his mummy. He's right by me. Right by my feet. I think he just wanted to be with me. Harley! Come on. If he shits on this bed, I am fucked. Oh, no, he's gone on my floor. He's not all there, I'm telling you, he's just... Don't think we've had any posts today. And if we have, it's nothing for me. Where I'm expecting a letter. Oh god. It's ridiculous. Where's that bloody postman? I think he's already been and gone, to be honest. I hate Sundays. Because there's no post. Harley! What are you doing, baby? Oh, he's over there by the Primark bags. What are you doing? He's hopping along the floor. But yeah, guys, I'm just watching some Zoella vlogs because I'm bored and I thought I'd catch up on some videos. I mean, yeah, I've got, like, I could play on my consoles, but I want to catch up on videos because I have a lot of them. So I'll speak to you a bit later on. What time is it? 16:18 it is. Just watching Harley, see what he's doing. He's currently on the back of that chair I got. Just worried he's going to poop on one of my presents. I'm going to have to check them before I give them out to people because they might have a bit of Harley poop on them. But yeah, I'm going to go. I'll speak to you later. I just thought a video this. Look at this. I have a bird on my head. Say hello, Hardy. I thought I'd video that because that is just classic. You just decided to jump on my head. He's so funny. I'm going to come on the vlog now as I'm just sat watching some Zoella vlogs and Harry's out again. It's that little face. I just can't say no to his little face. But this is the last time he is coming out tonight because it's only bedtime and mummy wants to have a bath, so it's the last time tonight. But hope you liked these two videos combined. If you did, please give it a little thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe because I want to do a lot more good videos. But I will speak to you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.